Hey and welcome to Alt1. So I have now just had a live stream where I trade binary option live, and you can follow me live every single day. Okay, if you did not see this live stream, maybe it's because you are not subscribed to my channel yet, or you did not turn the bell notification. So make sure you turn on the bell notification so you never lose a live stream that just like the one I have today. Today was a little difficult day to be trading. We will get to the results and how I'm trading a little after. But before we get to that, make sure also that you join this broker. You can just start with a demo account, completely up to you. You find a link below the video to this broker, and also you find a promo code so you get 200% on your first deposit. So if you go in the deposit, make it count. Okay, now let's get to the strategy and how we did in the live stream today. By the way, I'm also planning to get some more people working with me to make more live streams. That is something I'll do later this year, okay? But for now, it's just me you can follow with trades live. So let's go to my trades and let's take a look at the trades. So today we did take 5 trades and we got 4 winners. We made, sorry for that. We made a sweet profit of $292. Now the good thing is that in top of that, we can collect cashback. Every time I do a $100 trade, I get $4 cashback. So today we have 200 there. Let's push it like that. And you see that is added to our balance here. That means our profit for today is $312. I'm pretty happy with that. Now to the way we are trading. I find a specific area, just like the one you see up here now. I would have waited for maybe one more test, so the bar maybe looks like this one, before I would activate it. But when I activate this line, let's say we got a bar that was perfect now, I will activate it here. I will turn this to a red line. I would have told in the chat the number, because not everyone managed to see this number. I would say the number like 219.86, 219.86. Then you put the line in the same place. That means when this bar would have come up to that line here, we just push, you see, red color resistant, red color down. So when the bar come up to that line, we just push down. You don't wait for me to push the button, you wait till your bar come up to that area, okay? Same go for the bottom. Let's say we had a perfect line here. I would then turn this one to a green line, and when this bar come down here, green color support, green up. Then you push up when the bar come there. So it's very easily to be trading. So let's say now this was activated. You see, then we'll take a trade there now. It will be a 30-second trade, and probably, as you can see, right now we are in the money. So, but I have not activated it, by the way, because I need 3. I would have activated after this one. But still, you can see we would have won that trade now, probably, because we would have taken a trade on the line there. 30 seconds, that is done already. We would have won that trade. So that's basically how we are trading. So make sure you tune into my live stream tomorrow so you can follow my trades and make money together with me. And also make sure that you open with a broker so you can trade together with me live, okay? So with that, have an amazing day, and I'll see you tomorrow.